If you are a Canadian or Mexican professional, engineer, accountant, scientist, lawyer, computer systems analyst, there's a work visa for the United States that doesn't require employer sponsorship in the traditional sense, doesn't go through a lottery, and for Canadians can be approved at the border on the same day. It's called a TN visa, and it comes from NAFTA, now USMCA, the trade agreement between the US, Canada, and Mexico. It covers over 60 specific professional categories. If your job is on the list and your credentials match, you can work in the US under TN status. For Canadians, you bring your job offer letter, credentials, and supporting documents to a US port of entry. A CBP officer reviews your documents on the spot. If approved, you can drive away with TN status, typically granted for 3 years at a time, renewable indefinitely. For Mexicans, the process goes through a US consulate interview similar to other non-immigrant visas. One important thing to understand about TN, it requires non-immigrant intent. You're supposed to be coming temporarily. Actively pursuing a green card while on TN status can create complications at the border and re-entry. If your long-term goal is permanent residence, TN works as a starting point, but your strategy needs to be planned carefully. If you're a Canadian or Mexican professional working in the US or considering a US opportunity, TN is often the fastest and least expensive work authorization option available to you. Send us a message and let's look at whether your profession qualifies.